That's crazy. This is day 144 of teaching Lily how to splash. Ready for this?
Of course I am.
All right then. All right, we're gonna be seeing if this non-hooper with her unique jumper can hit it from the half-court point by her third shot. So basically, all that she's gonna have to do is hit a simple half-court from right here into that hoop. Just like this. Are you ready? All right, let's get into it. That's Marcus. He's gonna be catching the ball. Take one. That's a miss. And this is take two. Timeout. Holy smokes! Well, it seems we got a little shooty here after all. What are your plans after making such a ravenous shot? She's going D1, folks. You better watch out because she's probably going to steal your position soon. Damn, the Blake Nicholson of basketball. Watch out. That is insane. All right, it was great having you guys out here. It was great having you. And we'll catch you next time. All right, so we're going to be teaching this non-hooper how to hit a shot from the paint. That's not the paint. Okay. On her third try. By her third try. Oh! All right. Are you ready? Damn, it has been a gruesome battle. But let me tell you. Hold on. Are you ready? All right, let's get into it. All right, we're gonna be seeing if this non-hooper with her unique jumper can hit it from the half-court point by her third shot.